Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Hi, usangweni use-striking guys. Usesangweni uthi uyateleka, use-strikini, akadli, akakhulumi, akagezi, wonke sorts of strike. Ukuthi upanisha abantu ngokungagezi, ngokungadli, ngokungakhulumi, asazi. At this point, it feels like self-sabotage, self-punishment, self-everything nje, unnecessary self-inflicted pain. But ke ubabakho uvuma uye waya kumalume. Tshela umalume ukuthi njengoba simphenele bhithile lo, that was not the way to go. Hhayi vele ulo njengoba usekaye kanjalo ubaba khona le vele uyasibonisa ukuthi hhayi noma bangambhaxabula ngathi angeke ilunge yonke le ndaba because manje akakhulumi, akadli, akagezi, uyateleka. Alright, and then bamtshele-ke uSibalikhulu ukuthi if uzovula leyo DNA test uzoyithola into ebekayifuna. U-threaten sure ubani uPhetheni. So Phetheni knows, but-ke that's the boring part. Phetheni maybe knows ukuthi umuphi ongasowakalona asazi wakaSibalikhulu. Into engiyaziyo i-one nje ukuthi in everything uVusi uhlala kuwuye oyenza ama-mistakes anjani njani. I don't think ukuthi uVusi is gonna succeed with this whole plan. I think this whole plan is gonna backfire and then it's going to put uGcina in a bad corner. But ke sisazobona mayifika lapho. And then uSibongile bamenzela umemulo ukwenza finally got the heart to tell umamakhe ukuthi ufuna uSibongile alone, and umamakhe wathi my boy, at this point I can't say anything, follow your heart. But ke ubabuvuma wathi before uSibongile athola umemulo uSibongile mele ayenze i-test yobutshitshi ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi useseyitshitshi na. Why? Because uGello uVelephi uye watshela ubabakhe ukuthi phela noba amqoshile egroupini lamatshitshi, so the only way yokuthi aqoshwe or the only reason yokuthi aqoshwe egroupini yamatshitshi ukuthini kusho khona ukuthi akusaseyile itshitshi kanti nix akazi ulo uGello uVelephi ukuthi kahle kahle what was the reason of her being kicked out. But ke girl is no longer bathini a girl, but she's going to be a woman officially via umemulo.